we're really keen to show you our first impressions of Porsche's first fully electric sports car, the Taycan. So let's see if we can grab the keys and go for a drive. Let's go.
Didn't even sound as though it was on.
Wow, this feels really cool already.
It's like being in like a mini aircraft.
Visually on the outside, looks beautiful car, looks sporty.
Oh, I can feel the heated seats.
I'm not used to having a low down car, but I quite like this.
Let's see what this car can do.
Not that I've ever been in a spaceship, but that's what it kind of feels like.
The car feels like it's really in control, feels like it could just go quick.
Acceleration's really good. Power in that.
It just goes. It's the acceleration's quite a fasty one.
I can honestly say the Taycan is if not the best car I've ever driven.
See, the car is so easy to drive. I mean, I'm not used to automatic, so this is really different for me.
Power is just instant, so instant.
Well, the car is really easy to drive. It really is.
Feels like a bit of a dream car that it's just so easy.
It's really a lot smoother than what I anticipated.
Dashboard's gorgeous on it. I really like that.
Love that the sat nav's in the middle, so I'm not overly looking to my left.
I do like the dashboard and that it's very minimalistic, no buttons, so it makes it look quite sleek.
The sat nav looks so cool.
I feel really comfortable in this actually.
The sound as it comes to a slow is just really calming.
I love the noise of this car. It's like a whirring noise. It sounds really futuristic.
Love the sound when you come to a stop. It's like it's winding down.
Strangely enough, I wasn't quite expecting to hear the noise that it does make.
Honestly, it's like being in like a mini aircraft. The noise of it and...
So how do I feel about the Taycan? I absolutely love it. I really, really genuinely love it. I find it so easy to drive. I'm so impressed by the power. It is insanely quick.
It's a stunning car to look at. It's lovely to drive. And I would say it was a winner.
I've got no words. It's amazing. It's an ultimate, total all-rounder.
Well, all I can say is that was an absolutely lovely drive. Oh, I love it. I went off track because I knew where I was going, and I thought I just took to it like that. Yeah. I just loved it. I thought, oh my God, everyone was saying to me, be careful about putting your foot down. But honestly, within a few minutes, you get so used to it. The power on it is brilliant. You can't hear a thing. It's a gorgeous drive. I've never driven a Porsche in my life, but it's an absolutely lovely car. It really is. It is. I do. I love it because.
So I'm thinking, because I'm at the front of the traffic lights, this is going to be my last opportunity now to put the foot down. Let's go. Ah! Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, I love it.
I think maybe I should have come off there.
Just been overtook by a bus. That's embarrassing.
So I've accidentally completely ignored the sat nav. What can I say? It's an incredible car. The only way to truly appreciate this car is to drive it. If you've ever had second thoughts about going electric before, this will certainly change your mind. If you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a like, and why not check out some of our other videos.